The word automate comes from the Greek automatos, self-acting. But what if your business could think for itself, like an octopus, with its 9 distributed brains? Our 15 AI agents, like Apollo and Mercury, work autonomously, optimizing campaigns, replying to messages, and posting content, while we sleep. Most businesses use multiple tools, but they don't talk to each other, like a team that doesn't communicate. But with OmniFINDS, our AI agents integrate seamlessly, like mycelium networks connecting trees in a forest. Did you know that mycelium networks can span thousands of acres, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients? Our AI agents are like a well-oiled machine, working together in harmony, like a school of fish. But, unlike machines, they can learn and adapt, like a child learning to ride a bike. With OmniFINDS, we've created a system that grows, like a living crystal, not just assembled parts. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're reminded that the future is not just about technology, but about the connections we make with each other and with nature. The future is not just built, it's grown, and it's full of wonder.